Hello and welcome to the Darksn Power BI video series. Today we'll learn how to create parameters in Power BI and use them to perform simple analysis. Now we will create a growth rate parameter, 1. We go to the Modeling tab, 2. Click on the New Parameter button, 3. We make our settings. First, let's create our basic measures. For this, we click on the New Measure button. Our first measure is total sales. Our second measure is total cost and profit. As you can see, the parameter automatically created a slicer. Now let's make a new calculation using this parameter. This formula will show us the new sales amount according to the selected growth rate. Let's visualize these calculations. Total sales, new sale. This chart will show us how sales will change at different growth rates. Today in Power BI, create basic measurements, add parameter, calculate with a parameter, and we learn to visualize the results. With this information, you can now do your own analysis. See you in our next video.